In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailchimp auto-response email in just 5 minutes. Whether you're reaching out to new subscribers or setting up a follow-up sequence, Mailchimp automations are an effective way to enhance your email marketing strategy. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, we'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. So head over to Mailchimp and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. From here, we're going to navigate to the automations section. This can be found in the left-hand menu. Just click on automations to move on to the next step. Now you should see a create button, and when you click on it, you'll have a couple of options. You can choose between classic automations for straightforward setups or customer journeys if you're looking for more advanced workflows. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll stick with the tried and true classic automations. With the automation type selected, we need to choose the specific type of automation we're after. Since our focus is on auto-response emails, select the email option here. Next, you'll have to decide what kind of autoresponder you're setting up. A popular choice is the welcome new subscribers option. This is great for engaging new signups right from the onset. However, if your goal is different, feel free to select another option that aligns with your strategy. Now we'll configure the trigger for your autoresponder. This step determines when your email will be sent out. You have a few options. You can have the email sent immediately after someone signs up after a set time delay, or based on specific actions like clicking a link in a previous email or making a purchase. Make sure to choose the trigger that best suits your needs. With the trigger set, it's time to design your email. Click on Design Email, and you'll need to enter some key details. Start with the campaign name. This is just for your internal reference, so make it something descriptive. Next, consider your email subject. You'll want it to be engaging to boost open rates. Don't forget your from name and email. Use something recognizable to your subscribers so they know the email is from you. You have the option to select a template or use a pre-built one within Mailchimp. Once chosen, take advantage of Mailchimp's drag and drop editor to customize the design as you see fit. Make sure everything looks polished and is on brand before proceeding. Once your email is perfect, the last steps involve reviewing and enabling your automation. It's essential to double check your settings to ensure everything's correct. When you're ready, click on next to proceed to the review section, and finally hit start sending to activate your autoresponder. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Mailchimp auto-response email. With just a few clicks and some thoughtful planning, you're well on your way to enhancing customer engagement through automated emails. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.